I'm so in the moment there. I know some people say put headphones in. I don't even need that. Be picky. Will you actually wear it? That's why I love going solo to the thrift store. Hey guys, I'm here today to tell you guys how to thrift effectively and find all the cute stuff, because I make so many thrift vlogs, and not only do I want you guys to watch my thrift vlogs, but I want you guys to be able to thrift on your own as well. I'm basically winging it today. I have no notes, so everything that's coming is coming straight from my head. Maybe this is called lazy and unprepared, but I say it's called authentic. I'm gonna just go for it, and hopefully this can help you find all the cute shit at the thrift store, revamp your wardrobe. And honestly, I was kind of sick of thrifting for a while, but after taking a 2 to 3 week break, I literally miss it so much. I want to go every day. So I'm gonna spill all my tea and information to you guys, and I hope this helps. So my first tip that I tell everyone is be patient. I know it's a really boring tip, but it's really the key, because I spend 2 hours. The customers that come in with me, there will be 3 other rounds of customers coming in and out before I leave. You have to take your damn time. Yesterday I went and I felt like I wasn't gonna find anything, just because in the beginning I wasn't having the best of luck. I don't know how I left with $120 of items. I ended up finding so much random stuff, like this vest I found there, so very happy. Anyways, the point of that was to take your time, look through every section, literally don't skip one. I mean, you can skip most of the men's and kids sections, but even those you should still look into. For example, the kids section, I found amazing leather jackets there. I'm like, these aren't even kids jackets, why are they here? People misplace stuff all the time, and also other thrifters may come and hide stuff, so you never really know. So really look everywhere. I guess that's kind of a tip on its own. Look in every section. Next would be find out when your thrift store restocks. This is literally my key to success. I go exclusively the days they restock and at the first hour of opening. Honestly, most of my success comes from going at the time they restock. I literally show up there the second they open, so I'm literally lining up to go in with all the other advanced thrifters. I don't know if you call them that, but there's a lot of people who resell and stuff that go during those times because they want to have first dibs on everything, and truly, it's great. Truly it helps a lot, because I don't know about you guys in America, you guys have Goodwill. I think you guys have Valley Village too, but where we live, we only have Valley Village. So at Valley Village, they have the end racks of all the new stuff, so you don't have to spend as much time sorting through everything if you don't want to. You can go start with the end racks. There's usually about, probably I'd say 10 to 15 end racks with new things. So you can spend a lot of time looking through those, and usually you just find stuff right away, so it's just super easy. So yesterday on restock day, I went in the evening instead of opening, and honestly it was a lot harder to find stuff because everything was already put away. The third tip is to have inspo. Use your Pinterest board, use your Instagram, and find the outfits you wish you could buy, even from expensive places. What is the style that they're selling? And I'm sure if you go enough times, you'll be able to find something similar at the thrift store. It will happen. Trust me, you just gotta low-key manifest it and it will come. Honestly, I can't even shop at regular stores anymore because I find stuff at the thrift store so much more unique and personalized, and I feel like it's so much easier to express your style through thrifting than through fast fashion. Another tip, give everything a chance. If you get drawn to something even slightly, I just pick it up and put it in my cart. If you watch my videos, literally my cart will be like a mountain by the time I leave. And that's because I literally pick up anything that draws me to it. I just grab it and say, I'm gonna try it on. Be easier on yourself, go with the flow, pick what you want and just try it. If it's ugly, you put it back. Oh, another tip, wear the right outfit when you go thrifting. I would suggest wearing leggings and a tank top, if weather allows, obviously. Just wear something tight to the body so you can always slip stuff over. You don't have to worry about it being too thick when you're putting it on. And I know a lot of people don't like trying on stuff at Valley Village just because whatever, it's dirty a bit or gross, or maybe they just don't want to do it in public. But trust me, a lot of this stuff, once you try it on, it might not work out, and you really can't tell till it's on your body. So that's why I personally like trying on as much as I can at the thrift store. Now that I've gone a little bit more, I can kind of tell what's going to look good and what's going to not look good. But still, even with pants, I would never be able to tell if it was gonna work or not. But I think you should try everything on, and I know the fitting rooms aren't open here in Canada. I don't know about the States or Australia or anything. Find a way, go in a corner, be sneaky with it, try it on. I know in my Valley Village, there's literally so many people doing the same thing as me that it's okay. Literally every other mirror, there's a lady trying stuff on. So I think it's fine. If you try it on in public over your clothes, they don't mind. They're not the type of store to tell you to stop doing it. Another tip, kind of against pick everything up tip that I gave earlier, but another tip is to be picky, because it is very, very easy to overshop at the thrift store. I may have overshopped a little bit yesterday. You know, you really never need a huge pile of clothes this big, but sometimes the finds are just too good. That's when you can keep it all. But be picky. Will you actually wear it? Do you have an outfit to go with it? Can you envision an outfit with it? If you can't envision an outfit with it and it's just random, maybe don't get it, or maybe plan to get an outfit for it, because it's so easy to forget about it. And especially once you start adding clothes and it piles up, you forget about so many pieces. Like, I was gonna make a what I thrifted in 2021 video, and I literally can't even remember what I bought. So definitely be picky, be selective with what you take home. Yesterday I saw a girl with literally 2 items, no cart or anything. I'm like, that is a girl who knows what she wants. Because for me, my cart was like filled with a bunch of different stuff, different styles. Like, it was crazy. Be picky with what you take home. Try everything on, but at the end of the day, try to stick to a few items that are your favorite. I'd say another tip, kind of against the last one again, but is be brave with your style when you're thrifting, because I feel like thrifting is your chance to try something new without spending tons of money on it. So if you're curious about colors and you want to try out bright colors, or you want to go towards nude colors, this is your chance to try it out, get the stuff you need for it, wear the outfit, see how you feel, wear it around the house. If you don't like it, don't wear it out. But if you do like it, take the next step, wear it confidently, and there you go. Now you've ventured into a new style because you had the opportunity to try it at a reduced price. So I think it's a really good opportunity to try new things, and I love to do that. Another tip could be that if you don't prefer Goodwills and Value Villages, you can always thrift multiple different ways. You can either go to curated thrift stores, which my boyfriend doesn't really like shopping in Value Village. He finds it takes too long to actually find something he likes, and it's rare that he does. So he likes the curated thrift stores because he knows which ones to go to find the exact pieces he wants. Whereas Value Village is kind of hit or miss sometimes if you're looking for a particular item. So you can go to curated thrift stores, or you can definitely thrift online. eBay is a great place to thrift. I have yet to do it because I feel like I've been going to Value Villages so much that I'm like, do I even need to buy anything off eBay? But I know a lot of people who do shop off eBay, and honestly, if I'm looking for a specific item, I will probably opt to go there instead of Value Village because it will be much harder to find. Yeah, there's eBay, there's ThredUp, there's lots of sites that you can shop at for vintage clothes online. Another tip for Value Village or Goodwill is you kind of have to have the mindset going in that you're ready and open-minded to search. Because if you go in thinking, oh, I'm so lazy to like look through everything, I'm not gonna find anything, they never have anything here, I promise you probably won't find anything. I think the mindset is almost like one of the most important parts. When I go in there, I'm in my zone. Like, I don't even need music, to be honest. I know some people say put headphones in. I don't even need that because I'm literally sorting through everything, like taking my time. I'm so in the moment there, looking through everything. I'm hopeful I'm gonna find something. I know I'm gonna find something. So I feel like that confidence kind of pushes me to find more, because I'm like, listen, like I can't leave without anything. Like I need to find something. And because I have that attitude, I always end up finding something I love. The attitude is really important because I know a lot of people are, I don't know, they've just never thrifted before like that, and they kind of get discouraged. Maybe like the first time they went, they got grossed out because the clothes weren't washed, or like they just have this perception of Value Village or Goodwill. And I think you just need to change that and just go in with an open mind. Be ready to try new things. I feel like that's the key to thrifting. Like overall, all these tips are great, but at the end of the day, have an open mind, be ready to thrift, take your time, book off 2 hours out of your day, don't be distracted, don't go with friends even. I don't actually like thrifting with people that much because I feel like we're talking and I'm not being like fully focused on my finds. And that's why I love going solo to the thrift store. So just really get in the zone almost and be ready to be present there and be ready to just search. That's all you're there to do. And honestly, it's almost like therapeutic. I'm just like realizing this now. It's almost like therapeutic because I'm literally not thinking about life. I'm not thinking about anything but thrifting when I'm there, and that's what I love about it. So yeah, I feel like it's kind of amazing. Like, you're being sustainable, you're trying new things, you're exploring yourself, you're present, you're taking time to just do something else besides think about your issues or your life or what's going on in the world. You're literally there to just find your unique style. I hope everybody can start thrifting, and I hope this helped. If you guys want more tips, I can do kind of more of a thought out version. This was really just like off the top of my head. So if you guys want more tips, I can definitely do some more detailed videos, maybe even take you guys to the thrift store and talk to you guys through my process a bit. Honestly, thank you guys so much for watching my thrifting videos. I just like literally making this video realize how happy it makes me. So it's all because of you guys, like literally it is. I did thrift before, but not this religiously, and I'm just really grateful for you guys. So I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.